Hey guys, Aaron here with the 2011 Cayenne Turbo. Just wanted to make a really quick video on how to change the engine air filter. To get this panel off, you actually have to remove this panel, or at least these two pieces. The easiest way is just to remove this whole front panel. They all have these little grommets here. And as soon as you figure out how they work, they're pretty easy to get off. So this little kind of square-shaped panel in the middle of the circle, you just get something under it and you pry that up, and that part releases the part underneath, and the whole thing will just come out like that. So they look like this, and then when you go back and you're replacing them, you just push them in like that, and you press the top down, locks them into place. So for this front panel, there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these things. We're just gonna pop off real quick. All right, after those are all out, you can just lift this off. Now, the corners are tucked under a little bit, so you might have to kind of lift up from the middle a little bit so that it bends, and pull this corner out. So the corners are kind of tucked up a little bit. After you get these out of here, I kind of gonna grab it from the middle so that it bends a little bit. And get them to untuck, and then this one will slide out. And then for this piece, there was just one more up here, one of those plastic rivets that you have to remove. And the cap that sticks up here, you just kind of got to lift it up over the middle of that. And it'll untuck from right there. With our panels removed, we see our air box and the little stick. It has two little things that you can disconnect from there. Pull this back and you should have just enough clearance to reach in and grab the filter. Oh no. All right, be careful, these little metal clips come out. Of course, when I try to take it out, I can't. But I know they come out because that one just fell down. So. You get just enough room and no more at all to grab that filter, pull it out. This is what mine looks like, so it's not too terrible. In fact, I don't even think I'm going to replace mine right now, mostly because the one I ordered is not the same size. So I'll make sure I find the right size and put a link to the correct one for you guys in the description of this video. Hold my remaining clip out of the way. Need a third hand. Hold that clip out of the way, lift this up, and also push the filter down. Make sure it's fully seated all the way around. Close it back up. And put our latch back on it. And I gotta dig down here with a magnet and find the one I just dropped. There she is. Hopefully a quick video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Cayenne content. Make sure you click the bell notification, all that good jazz. We'll see you on the next video.